The following describes on the refrigeration performance monitoring equipment. A port to connect the temperature sensor is located at the right of equipment, and a port to connect the pressure sensor is located at the left of equipment. The relay terminals functioning as the digital output are located at the top of equipment, and DC 5-volt power unit and RS-232 communication port are located at the bottom. Finally, the 36-pin connector is installed to connect to the equipment connector panel, enabling the refrigeration system on or off on the program without using banana jacks. The refrigeration performance monitoring device is connected to a laptop computer via a USB converter and an RS-232 communication cable. And the refrigeration system can be controlled on the program via the digital output of the 36-pin cable. Connect the converter to RS-232 communications cable. The RS-232 communication cable to the refrigeration performance monitoring device and the USB converter to a laptop computer. Install the communication driver to the PC to use by using the driver CD included in the USB converter. The driver configuration will be described in detail on the video later. Turn the toggle switch of DC 24-volt power module of the control panel after completing the cable connection. Select the equipment to use by clicking the KTing system icon on the laptop PC DA100 program installed. The display ratio can be adjusted for the convenience of user. After the communication configuration, click the Run button to enter the file to save. For the digital output function, connect the 36-pin cable to the connector attached to a DA100 device and the control panel. Click the control on the program and click the digital output, connected to the control panel in the sequence of attachments to the DC 24-volt input module. Number 1 is for compressor. Number 2 is for compressor fan motor. Number 3 is for evaporator fan motor. And number 4 is for solenoid valve. This is the video showing a refrigeration system is operating. The temperature and the pressure are measured, and the heat exchanger is automatically calculated. Using the measured values, the program automatically draws the pH graph. Press the Run button to terminate the program. This video is on installations of the refrigeration performance monitoring program and the communications driver. Double-click on the installation program KTENG Setup 126. When the Welcome to the KTENG Setup wizard opens, click the Next button. The installation path window opens. Automatically saved in C Drive's program folder. Click the Next button. When the Confirm Installation window opens, press the Next button to start the installation. The installation is processed as the Installing KTENG Setup window opens. When the installation is completed and the Installation Complete window opens, click the Close button. KTENG Setup icon is created on the desktop. The next is on RS-232 communication driver installation. The USB to serial converter Multi-1 USB RS-232 file provided from the system base is installed. Double-click on the CDM 206 A02 icon in the Installed folder, and it automatically installs the communication driver. DA100 Explain Main View and Serial Setting. You can adjust the screen size. And next, let me check some icons. View, Setting, Control icon. And there are Run button, which is a Save button, Capture for Diagram, and pH Diagram Capture features. Enter the serial settings, set the port number, and click the OK button. And next, press the Run button toggle switch to save the measured data as an Excel file. Enter the file name and press the Save button to start the program. The temperature, pressure, enthalpy, and heat exchange can be checked. In addition, the pH diagram is automatically drawn in the upper right corner, and the performance of refrigeration can be analyzed. Click Settings in Tools. When you click Offset Setting, below screen is indicated. There are 4 tabs in screen. Click Temps Parameter. The total of 9 temperature sensors are required for standard refrigeration experiment equipment. Therefore, enter a value from 1 to 9. Temps parameter must enter a value of y equals 70x minus 150. On all of the items is a place to enter a formula that converts the output signal of thermometer with temperature. Click the appliance and close for application. Next, Voltages parameter has a function which can input the figure. You can set as choosing pressure or voltage. This equipment is chosen pressure. Standard refrigeration experimental equipment can be used a total of 4 pressure sensors, so check from 1 to 4. Click the appliance and click Close for application. Start saving set figure and click Close on the left screen. If you want to see a temp and press graphically, please click an icon below. You can always see the graph for location and figure through checking temperature pressure. If there is a temperature and pressure value that you want to check separately, you can check it by clicking the part. Temperature is 1 to 9 and pressure is 1 to 4. You can select the type of refrigerant used and click on Refrigerant Setting. Click the Refrigerant 1 open so you can select the type of refrigerant. You can choose the refrigerant used in the equipment. So this equipment used R134A refrigerant. Click R134A to complete the setting. When the system is operating, the measured temperature and pressure values and the pH diagram can be monitored. pH diagram is plotted according to the temperature and pressure measured after refrigeration system operation. This is the screen when the steady-state operation. You can check the low and high pressure values and monitor the evaporation temperature and pressure values. This automatically calculates the COP value and drawing the pH diagram. Digital output is a function that allows you to program your equipment without connecting a banana jack to the equipment. Click Digital Output in the control window. Number 1 controls the compressor. Number 2 controls the condenser fan motor. Number 3 controls the evaporation fan motor. And number 4 is to control the solenoid valve. When you click it, you will see that the lamp lights and each load is activated. When you quit, the reverse order is used. Turn off compressor 1 first, next close solenoid valve number 4, and finally turn off the fan motor. Then press the Run button. The real-time monitoring and save features of DA100 program is terminated.